Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a bald eagle. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our bald eagle face, let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to begin by making an oval shape, and we're going to kind of make this go up and down. And this will be the actual eye. Now, inside of here, I'm going to draw another small circle shape, and I'm going to color in most of it, leaving just a little bit white. Next, I'm going to curve a line that just comes down here, and then I'm going to curve a line that's going to come up. Next, I'm going to bring a line that comes down in the front, and then I'll bring it right to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a little bit of a broken line that's just going to come across to here. And then I'm going to make a little line that comes up. And then we'll curve a little line that's just going to come around here. And then we'll bring a line down. Next, I'm going to bring this line up. Now, starting here, I'm going to take this line and I'm going to curve it up here. And then I'm going to make a few little points as I bring this back for the top of the head. Now, starting here, let's make a line that's going to come out, and we're going to curve it down. And then right here, I'm going to take this line and I'm going to curve it down, and I'm going to hook it in for the beak. Next, I'm going to bring this line up to about here. Then I'm going to bring this up and down to here. Now to shape out the beak, I'm going to make a little bit of a broken line that comes down here. And then I'm going to bring it all the way to here, and then we'll connect it right there. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then it's going to go up. Then I'll bring another line that's going to come down here. I'm going to bring a line that's going to curve out to here, and then one more up to here. Then I'm going to bring this line over and connect it. Then we're just going to continue this line down here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a little curve line, and then another curve line right here for the nose. And we'll bring a little line around here. I'm going to make a line that comes down here. Then I'll run a little line right across here. Starting here, I'm going to make a couple little pointed lines for some feathers. And then I'm going to curve this line down here. Next, back here, I'm going to make some more of these points to show the feathers on the back of our eagle. And then I'm going to start to connect this with just a variety of points just to kind of shape out our feathers. I'm going to bring this line down, and I'm going to bring a couple little pointed lines down here. Next, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come up, and we'll bring it back a little bit. We'll make a couple more little broken lines kind of right around the eye. Then I'll make a few more lines that kind of come back here. I'm going to make some more little pointed lines that just come out here to kind of shape out the face of the eagle. And then I'm going to add a few broken lines that just kind of come down here to kind of shape out some feathers. I'm going to add a few more kind of quick little lines around here just for some details. And same thing up here too. I'll make some of these lines a little bit longer for the feathers of my eagle. Then I'll add a couple more little lines right around the beak. And there you go, there is your drawing of a realistic bald eagle head. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.